All right, let's talk about compound probability. Okay, and this is when we have two or more events. Now, one of the important things with compound probability is to understand if they're independent, or dependent. I'll throw that on there quick, okay? And we talked about that in the last video, but that's really important, okay? So let's throw some candies on there. Let's say I have a couple of those, and I got a couple of these. And let's throw on one other color. Okay, that's supposed to be a candy. Okay, so I can ask myself, I first want to pick a red candy, and then I want to pick a blue candy. Okay, and let's make this a dependent event. All right, so first we're going to pick a red candy and eat it. Okay, so it's not going back. That means it's dependent. All right, so we're going to pick a red candy, and then I want to pick a blue candy. Okay, so how many candies do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have 6 candies. Out of 6 candies, 3 are red. So my first probability is 3 out of 6. Okay, but that one's not going back. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 candies, and then remember the second time I want blue. 2 out of 5. I have 2 blue candies. Okay, so to find the probability, okay, of this compound event, I want both of these things to happen. I first want to pick red, and then I want to pick blue. I multiply them. Okay, that's what you do. You find the probability of the first event happening, the probability of the second event happening. All right, so first you determine, are they independent or dependent? That's supposed to be an I, believe it or not, that's an I. Okay, that's what you do first. Okay, then you find the probability of each item happening. Okay, and then you multiply. And that is it, okay? So multiplying those across, I get 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 times 5 is 30. I believe that's correct, right? 3 times, sometimes you get nervous making these. 6, and 6 times 5 is 30. You could reduce this if they want it in a ratio, okay, you could reduce that, and that gives me 0.20, which is 20%, I do believe, okay? So that is how you find the probability of compound probabilities, okay? Independent or dependent, find the probability, and then multiply.